going to be demonstrating how to use micellar water. All right. So the brand I'm going to be featuring today is the simple micellar water. So this is what it looks like. Simple micellar water that gently removes makeup and hydrates the skin. So now, first of all, you need to understand what micellar water is, right? So now, micellar water is actually a cleanser. It is a cleanser. It's a cleanser that is used in the act or during the act of double cleansing. All right. Now, double cleansing simply means you using an oil-based cleanser first, then you go in with your traditional cleanser, that is your water-based cleanser. That is just what double cleansing means. Now, the essence of double cleansing is to remove your sunscreens, your waterproof sunscreens, to remove your excess makeup, dirt, sebum that your water-based cleansers might not be able to remove. So that is the whole essence of double cleansing. Now, I've been using this micellar water for, let me say, 3 weeks to 4 weeks now. Though I do not use it every day, but I plan on using it every day. Just that sometimes, or rather few times, I tend to forget. I prefer using my micellar water just at night. I don't like using it in the morning, and I'm going to give you my reasons. During the day, your skin has been exposed to the dirt in the air, the pollutants, and all that, right? And also, that's regular reapplication of sunscreen. So, you need a double cleansing method to remove that excess makeup and sunscreen. But you using my, I did not say you cannot use micellar water in the morning. You can, just that personally, I do not see the essence of using micellar water or your cleansing balms or just doing the act of double cleansing in the morning. Now, because at night you just get to do your nighttime skincare routine, which does not involve you using sunscreen or using makeup, right? Now, that night your skin is at rest, your skin is not really overworking or trying to fight the pollutants in the environment, right? Your skin is just at rest, it's just peaceful, and that's it. So I don't see the essence of you double cleansing. Next, micellar water is actually made up of three major ingredients. That is your purified water, glycerin, and your mild surfactants. Now, these mild surfactants tend to come together to form a compound called micelle, right? Then this micelle is actually what helps to plug or to remove the dirt, the excess makeup, sunscreen, and all that from your skin. So let's have this at the back of our mind. So for you to use your micellar water, you need to have a cotton wool or a cotton pad. This has to come in. Now I got this for 5,000 naira. There is excess oil on this face. Okay, very good. This is it. I don't wear makeup. There is no makeup on my face. This is just dirt, excess oil on my skin. With this micellar water, you don't need to use wipes. Micellar water tends to make the work very much easier for you in the sense that it does not allow you drag your skin, the skin on your face, or to start stressing it. So now the next step for me is going to be me using my water-based cleanser. I would want us to practice something. I'm here with a sunscreen and what is this? Okay, it's a foundation. So I'm going to be using these two products. I'm going to be applying it here. Remember that this is also a review video. I'm going to be applying a quantity of this foundation to a portion of my face and a sunscreen to the other portion of my face. Let's see if this micellar water is going to clear it all. Now, you're going to just apply it to a portion of my face. Now, this is my sunscreen. This is a sunscreen that I don't use currently. I don't use it anymore simply because it leaves a white cast. It always leaves me with a white cast. So I kind of dumped it and I just use it for content. Shirts. this is a foundation over here, and this is a sunscreen. So I'm trying to let this to dry down completely before we try out the micellar water on it. So now, as we wait for this to dry down completely, I had to on my fan to fasten the process. This micellar water here contains niacinamide, panthenol. It also contains glycerin and a host of other ingredients. Now, so the fact that it says that it hydrates the skin is going to hydrate the skin as much as it can, but it does not dry out the skin. All right. So now this is actually going to be my first ever product, my first ever double cleansing product. Yes, I've never double cleansed before. They said no need to rinse after. It is on the level of the product, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use my water-based cleanser whenever I'm done with my micellar water. Why? Because I've actually listened to estheticians talk about um the long time usage of micellar water um without rinsing it off. They say that it can lead to breakouts. It can also lead to a fragmented face. I'm going to leave a picture of what that means. I tend to use my cellar water without washing out my face, and that is just on rare occasions where I tend to sleep off without doing my nighttime routine. So maybe when I tend to wake up, maybe around 2 or 3 a.m., I'll just use my cellar water, wash, not really wash, like sweep it across my face just to remove that excess sebum, dirt, and I'll go back to bed. Then in the morning, I'll rush and go have my bath. That is it. I can't just use my cellar water and then start applying my skincare products on top. I can't. You can never catch me doing that. I must use a water-based cleanser first before my other skincare products start coming in line. So I believe that by now this thing must have dried down. Yeah, it has dried down. So let's get into work. We'll start with the foundation first. Now, this micellar water is supposed to take down everything completely. Oh, it's supposed to take down everything completely. I think I need more concealer. If you realize, I'm not applying any, let me say just a little force. Like if I were to be using wipes, you are going to catch me doing like trying to apply pressure, apply force on my face, and that is not good for the skin, right? So this micellar water is just going to make the work very much easier for you. It's going to make the work very, very much easier for you. Then if you're this kind of person that wears is it called eyeliner or mascara, you might want to just place this cotton wool on your eyes, all right, like so, and then just allow it to melt away the products on your eye area. So that's it. Then let's try for the sunscreen with the sunscreen part. Just with okay. So this is basically what it means to use micellar water. As you can see in this video, I removed a sunscreen, I removed a foundation without stress. Like I did everything with ease. And even if you do not wear um your makeup and you just do sunscreens, you tend to apply tons and tons of sunscreens during the day, you still need a double cleansing method, especially if you have an oily skin. I know why I'm saying this because your skin produces excess oil, right? So that oil tends to attract, right, or rather hold grip of dirt, gunk, pollutants from the environment. So you need to make sure that you take everything off completely before you go in with your other skincare products. Remember that your cleansing method or the act of cleansing is actually the foundation of a healthy skin, right? You have to get your cleansing right first before your other skincare products can work because they need a base to work on, right? So for the simple micellar water, it is going to be a good buy for you if you are looking towards getting a micellar water for your skin, regardless of your skin type. I have an oily skin, so this product already has been formulated for all skin types, except you prefer cleansing balms, cleansing oils that are still good. One of these days, I will get one of them and film a video on that. Now, I missed something. Apply your micellar water on a dry skin. Don't apply water on your face and then apply micellar water. No. Apply it directly on a dry, bare skin. Should I have used the word bare? Because there is sunscreen and there is makeup on it. But do not apply water on your face before a micellar water. Same thing still goes to cleansing balms and cleansing oils. Apply it on a dry skin. All right. So see you in another video.